Okay, today we're going to launch Michael's rocket. There we go. And it's bright and early. So, yeah, Michael, there you are. So Michael's going to carry the launch control button. And I'm going to remove this stuff here. And now we're going to go out to the field. There's our flags blowing inward, so we're going to go out.
Into the rocket. And then the rocket will blast off. 300 feet.
And that way the wind's blowing that way, so we'll send it that way. Okay, now Emma, you can come over here.
No, I don't want anything really. Where is it? Can't see the rocket. Hear that loud
Here,
boom, boom, boom.
Take me and Michael. So now we're gonna get the starter wires hooked up.
What is that? Ah! Emma.
Hey, Michael. Hey, come on. Be serious here for a second.
Where did we put it?
So now we have these wires here. Come on. What are you filming the sky for? We're over here.
I'm filming there.
Huh?
I'm filming.
Filming what? No, filming there.
Do not film me. No, no.
Okay, see, Michael? Come on. Look, watch what we're doing. Now we're going to put what wire? On that one. The wire on that one.
And then it's going to go blast off.
And then we're going to go stand over here.
This is going to be awesome when it blasts us.
Where am I going to stand?
Right
I'll show you when we get ready here. So here we're going to test this, and there the light's good. It means we got it ready. Now hang on.
Why is the rocket going to blast off and blow?
Okay, now get away from it.
Where am I going?
You're going to go way over here. Michael, you stay here. Michael, you're going to do it. Come here.
Why would
Here, we're going to change lenses. Okay. Now, what I want you to do, Michael, is when I start counting down, you're going to push this one down so that the light comes on, okay? And then when I say, you're going to hold this one and that one down. So then, push it down once, make the light come on. Push this one down. Just that one. There, see? When you get it? Okay. And then you're going to push that one and you're going to hold it down until the rocket takes off, okay? Don't let go until it takes off. And I'm going to come over here so I have the sun behind me so I can film it, hopefully. Okay, Michael, get ready. Push that button down. Is the light on?
Yes.
Push the other one. Go. Hold it down. You got them both down? Here it comes. Hey! Was that cool?
That's hot.
Yeah, that is warm.
least it blasted.
Yes, it did. We didn't really have any wadding materials. The parachute got a little. We have to get some other wadding material. Cool. You want to do another one?
No.
No.
It freaked me out. Here.
Okay. Let's grab our stuff and go back.
That was incredible.
Take that with you.